This one-liner silently swallows exceptions, and you won't know your code broke until it's too late. Here's how contextlib.suppress hides bugs in plain sight. Imports the suppress function from Python's contextlib module, which provides a context manager to temporarily ignore specified exceptions during execution within its block. Imports the sys module, which provides access to system-specific parameters and functions, though this import isn't used in the current code and has no effect on runtime behavior here. Declares a new function named divide that accepts two parameters, a and b, intended for performing division operations with internal exception suppression logic. Enter a context managed by suppress, ZeroDivisionError, which will silently ignore any ZeroDivisionError exception raised within its block instead of propagating the error. Attempts to compute the quotient of a divided by b. If b is 0, the ZeroDivisionError raised here is suppressed by the suppress context established on line 3, and the function implicitly returns none instead of raising an error. Calls divide with arguments 10 and 2, which evaluates 10 divided by 2 as 5 without any exceptions, then prints the integer result 5 to standard output. Calls divide with arguments 10 and 0, which triggers a ZeroDivisionError inside the suppress context on line 3. The exception is intercepted and ignored, causing divide to return none implicitly, then prints that none value to standard output. Suppress hides all exceptions. Never use it when you need to detect failures. Subscribe for daily coding videos that make debugging painless.